Hello, in front of me I've got 70MAI Dashcam A810. In this video I'll show you the camera preview. Firstly, let's take a look at the back of the camera. This part of the camera faces the road. Here we've got the name of our camera, serial number, and some specification about the camera itself. Now take a look at the sides of the camera. Right here we've got the micro SD slot, charging slot, and AV in port. On the second side of the camera we've got the power button, and here we've got the buttons to navigate through the camera. Let's unstick this plastic cover. And as you can see, the camera is currently on. To turn it on or off, simply press this button. Now we have to select language. Go next, next, next. Select year and date. And then time. Now we have to insert SD card. To insert SD card, make sure the colorful side is facing the display. Push until it clicks. Now SD card is in. Let's try to put it again. This error may occur because the card is not formatted. And now we have to format memory card. Now the camera is ready to go. Here we can mute microphone, start emergency recording, go to album and go to settings. In settings you can manage video settings, system settings, format SD card, manage parking security, smart travel, sound settings. We can download the app, perform system update and system factory reset. And that's basically about that in this camera. Thanks to this port we can connect the rear view camera, and this is the holder for our camera. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.